Ever wondered how to make the perfect chicken rasala at home? This savory, spicy dish has a rich history steeped in the traditions of Indian cuisine. Chicken rasala, with its blend of aromatic spices and tender chicken, is a staple in countless homes and restaurants across the globe. It's not just a meal, it's an experience, a journey of flavors that tantalizes the taste buds and warms the soul. Intrigued yet? Stick around to find out how to bring these flavors into your own kitchen. Before we start, ensure to gather all the necessary ingredients. Our recipe calls for 1 kilogram of chicken, cut into medium pieces, and 2 cups of finely chopped onions. You'll also need 1 cup of tomato puree, or fresh tomatoes if you prefer. For the spices, gather 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon each of turmeric and red chili powder, and 2 teaspoons of Rasala spice mix. If you can't find Rasala spice mix, you can substitute it with garam masala and a pinch of extra cumin. Now let's not forget the other essentials. You'll need half a cup of yogurt, a handful of fresh coriander leaves for garnish, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, and salt to taste. If you're feeling adventurous, a splash of lemon juice at the end can add an extra zing to your dish. Now that we have all our ingredients, it's time to start cooking. The first step in our cooking process is preparing the chicken. The journey to a mouth-watering chicken rasala begins with a clean, well-cut chicken. So let's get to it. First, clean the chicken thoroughly under running water. This is crucial to remove any residual dirt or feathers. Once cleaned, we'll move on to cutting. A good chicken rasala needs bite-sized pieces, easy to cook and easier to eat. Now onto the marinating, the secret behind tender, flavorful chicken. We'll need a blend of ingredients for this marinade: a dollop of yogurt, a squeeze of lemon, a dash of salt, and a generous sprinkle of turmeric powder. Mix this well into the chicken, making sure each piece is coated evenly. Marinating not only enhances the flavor, but also ensures our chicken cooks evenly. With our chicken marinated and ready, we can move on to the spices. The heart of any Indian dish lies in its spices, and chicken rasala is no exception. In the world of Indian cuisine, spices are more than just flavor enhancers. They are the soul that breathes life into every dish. And when it comes to chicken rasala, the Rasala spice mix is the heart that pumps this life. The Rasala spice mix is a symphony of flavors. It starts with the warmth of coriander seeds, the heat of dried red chilies, and the earthiness of cumin. These are toasted lightly to release their aromatic oils. Following this, we add the exotic fragrance of green cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. These spices, known as the warming spices, add depth and complexity to our mix. Then comes the star of the show, the black peppercorns. They lend a spicy kick that truly defines the character of our rasala. After toasting, all these spices are ground together, producing a powder bursting with flavor and aroma. With our Rasala spice mix ready, we're all set to bring our dish together. Now comes the exciting part, cooking our chicken rasala. Let's begin by heating a generous amount of oil in a large pan over medium heat. The oil is vital as it allows our spices to release their flavors and aromas. Once the oil is hot, carefully add the Rasala spice mix we prepared earlier. Stir it around, letting the heat coax out the flavors, creating a fragrant base for our dish. Next, it's time to introduce our chicken to the party. Add the chicken pieces into the pan, making sure each piece gets coated with our spice mix. This is crucial as it ensures every bite of chicken is packed with the rich, warm flavors of the rasala. Now cover the pan and let it cook on low heat. This slow cooking process allows the chicken to absorb the flavors and become tender, while also thickening our sauce. Patience is key here. It's not just about cooking the chicken, it's about allowing the flavors to meld together, creating a symphony of taste that is unique to chicken rasala. After about 25 to 30 minutes, lift the lid and behold the transformation. The chicken should be cooked through, the sauce thick and aromatic, and the colors vibrant. Give it a quick stir, then turn off the heat. And there you have it, a delicious and flavorful chicken rasala made right in your own kitchen.